This is Buzz here from buzzingaroundtheworld.com. I shot this footage with my GoPro on Christmas morning of 2023 in Ljubljana, Slovenia. Ljubljana is sometimes nicknamed the City of Churches. I was lucky enough to hear all the church bells ringing at once, announcing the Christmas holiday. I apologize for the flickering lights. The church bells started ringing and I did not have the correct GoPro settings, but I didn't want to take time to try to update the settings and miss the bells. If you liked this video, please smash that like button and feel free to subscribe. Until next time, happy travels.